touring the Great Camp Sagamore, just down the road from Racket Lake off of Route 28. They do tours here. That's what I just got finished with. Learn about the history of the Great Camps and some of the features here. We also have quite a bit of programs where you can come and stay as a guest. You would actually check in over here at this lodge, the Collins Lodge. They have guest house in the top area. I guess it used to be an old laundry facility. Over here, back where that bicycle is, you can see that's the old ice house. They would have taken ice out of the lake to store things, keep them cool. Over here, we've got the main dining area, where their guests can come in, have a bite to eat. And then of course out here you'd have croquet matches. They have a little boat dock where you can access the water. If you're a guest of theirs, you can use their canoes and kayaks. And then of course, there's the main lodge itself. Great Camp Sagamore. It's on its own lake. It's one of the things that distinguished a great camp from any of the others, being on its own peninsula or its own lake. The lands surrounding this lake are all owned by New York State, so you can come and recreate. There's a canoe launch and area. There's also trails around the lake that you can come and hike. So come check out Great Camp Sagamore. You'll be glad you did. You can check out that's the dining hall right there, or part of it. You can see quite the view that they would get from there out over the lake. Great Camp Sagamore's blacksmith shop. It's actually still a functioning blacksmith shop. So they do some programming here. bowling alley here at Great Camp Sagamore.